Hi students, it's me Harshnath Shukla and today I am going to discuss the revision lecture 8 for class 10. Topic is chapter is quadratic equation and this is revision lecture 8. Okay, so we start quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Okay, quadratic equation. So what is the quadratic equation? So an equation of the type ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 for each a does not equal to 0, b, c belongs to real number is known as a quadratic equation. So any equation is of the type ax square plus bx plus c where a does not equal to 0 and bc belongs to real number is known as a quadratic equation. For example, suppose we have to write here x square minus 2. Is this one is a quadratic equation? Yes, it is a quadratic equation. So what is the value of a, b and c? So we can write x square plus 0 dot x minus 2. So a should be 1, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to minus 2. For quadratic equation it must we have a condition a does not equal to 0. A should not be 0 because if a is equal to 0 that means coefficient of x square is equal to 0, then this is not a quadratic equation. So let us check the given equations are quadratic equation or not. So see in the first exercise of NCERT, let us see some of the equations are given. Exercise 4.1, is this particular equations are a quadratic equation or not? So the first one is check whether the following are quadratic equation. Check whether the following are quadratic equation. Check whether the following are quadratic equation. X plus 1 whole square to x minus 3. Check whether this one is a quadratic equation or not. So let us see first one. X square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 6. So 2x cancelled out. X square plus 1 plus 6 is equal to 0. So x square plus 7 is equal to 0. So obviously this one is a quadratic equation. Okay. So in the same manner so many questions are given. So please try to understand these questions and afterwards some word problems are given which you have to represent in a quadratic equation. Okay. So we are going to just see some problem. Question number 2 from exercise 4.1. Question number 2, first part. The area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. If the length of the plot in meters is more than twice of the breadth, we need to find length and breadth of the plot. That means we have to represent only in the form of quadratic equation. Okay, so see, let Area of the rectangular plot is 528 meters square. Length of the plot is one more than twice of the breadth. So let breadth of plot be x meter. Then according to question, length is one more than twice of the breadth. So according to question, the length is this. Then area should be x into 2x plus 1 is equal to 528 meters square. Yes. So this is 2x square plus x is equal to 528. So 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. So only you have to represent this in the form of a quadratic equation. In the same manner, the next question is the product of this is exercise 4.1 NCERT book, exercise 4.1. Question number second part, chapter is quadratic equation. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. So you know the consecutive integers, this is nothing but x into x and x plus 1. Let consecutive integers are x and x plus 1, then according to question their product is nothing but x plus 1 is 306. So x square plus x is equal to 306. So x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. Only we have to represent is in the form of a quadratic equation. In next topic we have to see the solution, how we have to solve these questions. Now third one, Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Question number second, third part. Let us see question number second, third part. This is third part. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages in year 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's present age. So again listen, Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. So let Rohan's present age is x year. Then his mother's age is x plus 26 because his mother is 26 years older than him. Now, from 3 years now, the product of their ages, 3 years now, the product of their ages will be 360. So according to question, after 3 years, their ages are x plus 3 and x plus 3 plus 26, that is x plus 29, and according to question x plus 3 and x plus 29 should be 200 and 360. So this is x square plus 3x 29x 32x plus 3 9s are 27, 3 2 just 6 and 2 8, 360. So x square plus 32x plus 87 minus 360 and this is 0. So x square plus 32x plus minus 10 7 3 15 8 7 and this is 2. Okay, so this is the quadratic equation for this particular question. Now next one is last. A train travels a distance of 480 kilometer. Listen. So I hope you understand this question. So next one, exercise 4.1, question number 2, fourth part. Fourth part is what? See, fourth part is, yes, a train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. What distance should be? It covers 480 km with uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the distance we need to find the speed of the train. So speed is, if speed is 8 or less, 8 km per hour less. So let us begin. Let speed is, uniform speed is x km per hour. Then according to question, speed is then time taken to cover the distance of 480 km is T1 is equal to 480 upon x. Okay, similarly according to question, if its speed would be 8 km less, then time taken to cover the same distance is T2. This is 480 upon x minus 8. Second, so according to question, it would have to take 3 hours more if speed is 8 km less. So T2 minus T1 is 3 hours, because the difference of timing is 3 hours. So 480 upon x minus 8 plus minus 480 upon x is equal to 3, and this is 480 1 upon x minus 8, 1 minus x is equal to 3. Then this is x minus 8, x minus x plus 8 multiplied by 480 is equal to 3. Then 8 x minus 8 is equal to 480 into 8 by 3. Okay, so x square minus 8x is equal to, this is 160 and 16 8 ja 1280. That means x square minus 8x is equal to 1280. So x square minus 8x minus 1280 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation for that particular question. Okay. So in this manner we have to completed the first exercise as well as first topic. So tomorrow we shall discuss the next topic, next exercise, solution of quadratic equation. Thank you.